The idea of like full frontal forehead bangs kind of freaks me out a little bit. I'm just nervous what my hair will look like in the end just because I have such fine hair. I don't know if it'll be able to keep any texture. Hey, my name's Melody, and today I'm getting a wolf cut. That kind of easy, wavy, by the beach look is usually my go-to, but it is getting a little repetitive. I'm not really the best with doing my own hair, so the lower maintenance, the better. So I'm inspired by the trendy new wolf cut. It looks so fun, like there's so much body and movement. I do not mind the wolf cut kind of being a modern take of the mullet, just because I did have kind of a mullet when I was 13. You know, when scene punk hair was all in style, but I pulled it off. This was the quarantine Melody, and now we're going to post-quarantine Melody. And she's bold, she's fearless, she's confident, and she's ready to make a change.
Hi, I'm Bo Stone, and I work at Mesh Salon in Beverly Hills, California as a stylist. I have been a cutting specialist for over 6 years, and I specialize in recreating looks, anything with extensions, also adding color in, really just creating looks is what I like to do.
So knowing what the wolf cut is, do you have any insecurities with that or comfortabilities?
I'm more open to getting curtain bangs than just straight across bangs.
Yeah, for sure. We can definitely customize it towards you.
Perfect. I'm
Gorgeous.
so ready.
I'm excited for you.
Yeah, me too.
All right.
So for Melody today, we're gonna recreate the wolf cut, and what we're gonna do is it's gonna really suit her face. And we're gonna keep the bangs a little bit longer, even though the wolf cut is a very fringe heavy haircut. We're also gonna really emphasize on the layers and really adding that fullness and volume to her hair. And we're gonna keep the length to really accentuate that change. First, I'm gonna begin brushing Melody's hair. Prior to any cutting, what I will do is I'm gonna layer in some oil, and then I'm gonna layer in a little bit of Cream for Style by Orbe. And what that will do is it'll give me a little bit of ease when cutting or combing through her hair. I am gonna start in the fringe. I'm gonna go ahead and take some diagonal sections, really keeping it a little bit longer, knowing that I can go back through and add some more shorter bits or texture.
As an actor, I'm really excited to see exactly if I could fit in different roles with this kind of haircut, and I'm just really excited to test this out and see if maybe I want to take my new headshots with this haircut as well.
From the fringe, I'm gonna go into the side area of her head, everything from in front of her ear to the back of the ear. And I will pull that forward, and I will take out the weight with the razor as I go in and cut the length of the layers that really face frame. From there, I will connect the layers from the front through the back through a vertical section through the top of her hair. And I will always cut away from my wrist when cutting layers with the razor. And as I do so, I will slide cut through to add more texture.
Hair is identity. I think it's really one of the easiest ways to express yourself. It's one of the first things people see, so I think your hair does make a pretty big first impression.
Once I've finished the layering process, which is most of the haircut, then I will look at the length, and I'll take my shears for this part. And I'll pull everything to the front, split down the back through the center, and I'll just slide cut through to create some more texture throughout the length, and then kind of chop in to where I want to see it fall. And then I'll pull everything to the back and do kind of the similar thing, point cutting and slide cutting until I get the desired texture in her ends. From there, we'll go in, add a little bit of re-wetting spray by the Foundation Mist of Orbe. I'll go in with the blow dry, and I'll start with a small blonde bristle round brush, and I'll blow dry the bangs away from the face, adding that nice bevel and bump, and then throughout all of the rest of the hair, rotating directions and doing a wavy blow dry with a small round brush. At the end, I'll finish with some Orbe Operace Beach setting spray and some super fine hairspray, and really just kind of build in that texture, separating the hair and spraying in between. And the exciting part, the big reveal for Melody.
Ready to see the final look?
I'm so stoked.
Here we go.
Oh my God. I feel like a 70s supermodel. This is incredible. I just want to shake my hair all the time.
Yeah.
I love my haircut so much. I feel like a rocker chic supermodel. I looked in the mirror and I couldn't even believe how good I looked with bangs. Like, genuinely, I was so shocked at how well the bangs turned out, because I've had bangs in the past and it looks so great and it's gonna be so easy to style, and I'm genuinely so happy with how it turned out.
I really got to personalize the wolf cut to Melody and her face and her cheeks and her jaw, which kind of made it very unique to her and unique for me to get to cut it.
I love the whole shagginess of it and how it made my really thin hair look so voluminous and textured, and I definitely think it's going to be a hairstyle I'm gonna repeat.
I would say the wolf cut is really trending right now because lots of layers, texture, and movement, whereas we're kind of getting out of that really blunt, beachy, wavy look and really just emphasizing texture and natural waves and low styling.
I love that this look is easy to maintain. All I'm gonna do is use my leave-in and just comb it and let the rest air dry.
The overall transformation took about an hour. Typically when cutting, especially working with the razor, things go a little bit faster and smoother.
I can't believe I had a celebrity hairstylist cut my hair in such a legendary salon. So it's been an incredible opportunity.
Working with Melody was really fun. You could tell she was very nervous at first for the big change. She was nervous that it was a very fringe, full haircut. And I think as her comfortability built, she got really excited and really had a fun time with it today.
I do feel Debbie Ryan vibes from this haircut. I'm hoping she would be proud. I feel like any of the cool girls I see on Instagram with this kind of haircut. It's awesome.
My favorite part about my job is getting to build that trust. For example, Melody coming in and not having that confidence and being a little scared, to then leaving just super on top of the world and shaking her hair and can't stop touching it. That's one of my favorite parts of the job.
I feel so confident. I'm really glad that I took a risk. Kind of came out of my comfort zone a little bit to try something new. I think I needed something to shake me up a little bit and make me feel brand new. Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more, click here, and to subscribe, click below.